I hope you enjoyed the clip from Lawrence Miller's talk on YouTube and maybe even thought about buying the book that I referred to. Now at this point you may be saying, well, are there any books on Tantric management? Well, yes there is. I'm going to pan one down in front of you. And it deals with subjects or topics such as prayer, gratitude, spiritual intelligence, tantric philosophy, the art of meditation, tantric spirituality, the awakening of the seventh sense, the evolution of conscious level for higher aspirations, awareness, unity and universality, why do we fail, motivation versus inspiration, tantric management, star of Shivaham, the secret of success in business, transpersonal leadership, peace within, and Mother Goddess, worship of Shakti in Indian culture. Now at this point you may be thinking, well, hang on a minute, is this course just a series of advertisements for books by Lawrence Miller or books about tantric management? And the answer is no. This course is about tantric leadership and more. We've looked at 5 books based on Panchatantra, and the text author for that particular series of books is unknown. The surviving work is dated about 200 BCE, but the fables within those 5 books, remember, dissonance among friends, achievement of friends or the advantages of friendship, the story of War and Peace, the story of crows and owls, the loss of what was desired was attained, or to do without pre-examination. The fables are likely to be even more ancient. Now, if you are a student of Tantra, then you may well know that the text was attributed to Vishu Sharma in some recensions and Vasubhaja in others, both of which may be fictitious pen names. It is likely that it is a Hindu text. And on the topic of Hinduism, remember this is about Tantra leadership and spirituality, we're going to be looking at Christianity and leadership, we're going to be looking at Islam and leadership as well. And with that in mind, we move to the next lecture.